Hello and welcome to Educare Live. Let's get started and look into our daily quiz. The first question is the basis of acquiring citizenship through naturalization is. So we have four methods to getting citizenship. You know, one is your by birth, another is your by descent, and another is your registration, and last is your by naturalization. So here the question is the basis of acquiring citizenship through naturalization is. The press the first button and try to give the answer of this question, and the answer is option 2 selection. Okay, so the next is which articles of Indian Constitution are related to citizenship. Okay, option 1 article 3 to 10, option 2 article 4 to 11, option 3 article 5 to 11, option 4 article 6 to 11. So you know about the articles. Okay, so article 1 to name of union and territory, name of union and territory, and for 5 to 5 to 11 is your for citizenship, and 12 to 35 is your for fundamental rights. So regarding this concept, we can get the idea about the article which is belongs to citizenship, that is your article 5 to 11. Okay, coming to next question, which of the following terms in our preamble means behaving as if we are member of the same family. Okay, if we are member of the same family, the term is which is the term which is behaving this same manner. Okay, option 1 justice, option 2 democracy, option 3 fraternity, option 4 equality. So the right answer is option 3 fraternity. Okay, the next question is the idea of the Constitution of India was first of all given by. Okay, option 1 Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, option 2 Jawaharlal Nehru, option 3 M.N. Roy, option 4 Mahatma Gandhi. So the idea is given by M.N. Roy. Okay, here the answer is M.N. Roy. So next question is how many types of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity in that order has been mentioned in the preamble of Constitution of India. Okay, in the preamble this is the words are mentioned justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. So we can get the word that is justice for justice for what. You can see justice for economic, political and what, social. So social justice, economic justice and political justice, three types of justice we can get. So the option is your 3, first is your 3. Okay, and we also know the liberty of thought, expression, faith, belief and worship. Okay, 5 liberty. So we have also this 5, and 2 is your the means equality of status and opportunity also 2. Okay, the right answer is option 1. Okay, coming to next, in which part of the Constitution of India we find the provision relating to citizenship. Okay, I already explained this, the provision to citizenship. This article is your part 2. Okay, and this article is your part 2. Okay, and part 3 is your for fundamental rights, and part 1 is your name of union and territory, and part 4 is your DPSP. Okay, part 4, and part 4a, part 4a is your fundamental duty. Okay, next, what are the ways through which one can lose Indian citizenship? So press the pause button and try to give the answer of this question, and the answer is option 4. Okay, the answer is option 4, all of the three. Okay, renunciation, termination and deprivation. So the next question is, which of the following do we feel are compatible with the idea of secularism? Okay, the meaning of what is secularism means there is no religion. Okay, but in our country, in India, the word is your Sarva Dharma Sambhava. So that's why we can say the option 3 is your answer, equal state to support all religion. Okay, the next question is, which of the following were not included in the original Indian constitution? Okay, so the option 1 socialist, option 2 secular, option 3 integrity, option 4 all of the above. What is the answer? The answer is your all of the above. Okay, why? The three are socialist, secular and integrity are coming to the constitution in the amendment 42 amendment, which is also known as mini constitution. Okay, in this amendment we just provide three: socialist, secular and integrity. Add in this term, three terms are added in our constitution. Okay, so next, coming to next question. So this is the last question is this, and all 10 questions are completed. So please revise it and try to give all the questions answer. Okay, thank you.